Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room, and today I have a surprise from the So What box company. This month when I received my So What box, I didn't get just one, I got two. Now the heavier one is the one that has the surprise in it. The other has our typical monthly project, which is always awesome. You always get everything you need in order to put it together. It is a machine organizer, and I have already put mine together. I got some strings hanging off of it, but there it is. I'll show you a better picture. Really cute. It's got the little magnet that holds the pins, or whatever else you have, and the little pocket. I didn't make my pocket wide enough. I'm not a good direction follower, but watch the video and you will get it just right. I also got my 2 fat quarters. This month is purple, fun. As always, there is a pattern included on paper, and there are multiple options on how you can make this pattern. And little scissors. They are so cute. Great for traveling. Don't bring them on an airplane because, you're probably going to get them taken away. And they have a little bitty slit so you can put them on a necklace or something where they can hang. Pretty cool. Now this month, the tailor sent me an extra box. And it's kind of heavy. So I believe, I think I know there's fabric in here, but I haven't opened it yet. So you get to see the grand opening. It's going to make me work for it. Okay, there we go. So shiny. So this box contains fat quarters. And this month's theme is So Shiny. So there are multiple versions of the shiny fabric. I'll show it to you both sides. Aren't they pretty? There are 10 fat quarters and the pattern for the sewing machine organizer. So this is just another option. With the 10 fat quarters, you can make a sewing machine organizer, or you could make a quilt. You could make cosmetic bags. There are a ton of things that you can make with 10 fat quarters. So I will put the information on this subscription box in the description below and how you can get it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everyone. Until next time. Bye. Is it upside down?